Hey, what up, y'all? So today I'm gonna do a unboxing of a holster I picked up from Vedder Holsters. I chose the LightTuck in brown Raptor, and I also ordered it with the claw attachment. And one thing that was very cool I noticed is that Vedder Holsters thought ahead of time, and basically if you wanted to take the claw attachment off, they give you a shorter retention screw, just in case, which is pretty cool. Thank you for that. And I got my holster to pair with my P365, and it's safe. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, so bear with me here. You hear that audible click, that means it's up in there. And that bad boy is not gonna fall out until you pull it out, which is pretty awesome. And I tried to get a color that might match my complexion. So if I lift up my shirt, it looked like my stomach and everything. I'm silly, I know. So anyways, but yeah, so I tried this on and I was able to sit in a chair, bend down, pick stuff up off the ground, and it didn't really hurt. And it was pretty comfortable and everything. I'm pretty new to concealed carry. Like I was saying before, I'm pretty new to concealed carrying, but so far it feels very comfortable. And this is my first Kydex holster. And if you're in the market looking for a good inside the waistband holster, I'd highly recommend trying out one of these. I also had to get one for my lady because she just bought herself a FNX-9, and wanted her to try one of these out too. So see that it's safe. Pretty nice. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.